Hey nurses, in today's episode, I'm going to be describing to you my 4 favorite passive income streams. So income stream number 1 is digital products. If you are not in the digital real estate game, which is digital products on the internet, then you are missing out, because the education space and the digital product space is revolutionary, and it's in its infancy and it's not going anywhere. It's just beginning. Okay, so let's dive into to digital products. My favorite digital products, which are probably your favorite digital products as well, is courses and ebooks. Courses and ebooks are the way of the world right now. This is how people are learning from other people. So you just have to think about it. I'm a nurse. What can I teach other people? So what am I an expert in, or what is my hobby, or what can I become an expert in? So let's say that you are a nurse, right? You are an expert in healthcare, okay? So what can you teach people? You can teach people, what are the best ways of maintaining their health? What are the foods that they have to eat? How do they fast? How do they do intermittent fasting? How do they get into a juice cleanse? How do they detoxify their body? Skincare. How do they treat their diabetes naturally instead of using metformin, right? You can educate people on things that you know. We took A&P, we took, fundamentals and all these different courses and stuff when we were in nursing school, and we have been nurses for a very long time, for years and years and years. So we are experts in the healthcare field. So you can teach people whatever it is that you know about healthcare. Or if you don't want to teach the general population, if you don't want to teach community members, then why don't you teach people that want to be in your position? So you're an RN. You're either at the bedside, or maybe you're a case manager, or maybe you are a director, whatever. You are an RN. You can teach people how to become an RN. So imagine if you came out with your own NCLEX review. My name is Christina. Take my NCLEX review. I have helped thousands of people pass the NCLEX. I have helped hundreds of people pass the NCLEX. Why? Because I have a review. There's 1,000 nursing questions on that review that I know that you're gonna see on the NCLEX. Did you pass the NCLEX? Yes, you passed the NCLEX. Can you educate people and teach new grad nurses, or teach new grad nurses how to pass the NCLEX? Yes, you can. So do not discredit yourself. You can definitely do that. Another thing is, you are a nurse, right? You are a specific type of nurse. Let's say you are a traveling nurse. I was a traveling nurse for maybe 5 years, I think. Sorry. So you can teach other nurses how to become a traveling nurse. There are so many nurses that are stuck in their staff positions and are afraid to travel. One, because they don't know the family dynamics. They don't know how they're gonna find housing. They don't know how to find a nursing contract. They don't know what to look for in their nursing contract. There's so much when it comes to being a traveling nurse. Can you educate someone and teach them how to become a traveling nurse? Absolutely yes. That can be your ebook, How to Become a Traveling Nurse. And you can sell it for $47, $57, $27. You choose the price. But guess what? You have clientele, you have other nurses who want that type of information. Can you sell a course on how to do intermittent fasting the nurse way? Yes, you can. And you can sell that course for $99. There's hundreds of people out here who want to know how to be in the best shape of their life, how to be the healthiest person that they can be. Do they want to learn from a nurse? Yes, they do. Trust me. We are the most trusted profession in the world. So we are constantly educating people. So if a nurse comes out with a ebook or a course, anybody's gonna buy it because they trust you. Trust me when I tell you this. So that is my absolute number one favored passive income stream. Number two is real estate. I absolutely love real estate. Why? Because real estate is not going anywhere. You can destroy the house that's on the land, but you cannot destroy the land. That land is not going anywhere. It is a tangible asset. You can see it, feel it, and touch it. So if you want a tangible asset where it's producing money, it's an income producing asset, producing money for you every single month, then real estate is the way to go. And it can be completely passive. It just depends on what you want. You can do it actively, which is like flipping houses or being an active landlord. And I don't recommend that. Or you can do it passively by investing in REITs, which we'll talk about in a minute, or by being a landlord, but a passive landlord. Okay, so you have, let's say that you have a multifamily, right? Let's say that you have a fourplex. You have one roof, but you have 4 units, 4 one-bedroom apartments. Let's say that your mortgage is $1,500, right? You bought this fourplex for $200,000. Your mortgage is $1,500 a month. For each one-bedroom apartment, you are making $1,200. That is $4,800 a month. $4,800 a month minus a $1,500 mortgage, plus let's say that you have some reserves for maintenance. So let's say all in, all your expenses $1,800, right? That means that you are netting $3,000 from this property. Just imagine that. 100% passive. There's nothing for you to do. It's called mailbox money. There's nothing for you to do if you have management in place. So that is how this can be 100% passive. You have a management team that manages the property for you. So they're going to take a percentage. Typically is 1 month out of a 12-month lease, okay? Which is completely fine because when there's maintenance involved, collecting the rent on the first of every single month, if there's any type of emergencies, guess who deals with it? Not the landlord, the managers deal with it. They get the calls at 2 a.m. that the toilet is broken or that the AC is not working. Not you. This is a passive investment. So that's one way that you can be a passive real estate investor. The other way is through REITs. REIT stands for Real Estate Investment Trust. Now, what exactly is that? A REIT is on an exchange. It's on a brokerage. So you need a brokerage account or some type of investment account to have a REIT, okay? And you get a percentage plus dividends every single month, because with REITs, they have to, since it's a trust, they have to give 100% of the profits back to the shareholders. So if you become a shareholder with a REIT, these trusts, they own commercial properties. They own your local mall. They own your local public storage. They own hospitals, commercial units. So you, in a sense, are a shareholder of a trust that owns hundreds of real estate commercial property. That means you are a landlord. That means you are a real estate investor. But it's 100% passive because the trusts, they're doing what? They are paying you either quarterly or monthly, depending on the REIT. So that is another one of my favorite passive income streams. The next passive income stream that I absolutely love and that I've been crushing all of 2020 and 2021 is affiliate marketing. So I have been an affiliate with several different companies. One is Samcart, another one is Monate, another one is our brokerage. So it just depends on what company you want to be affiliated with. Me, I'm all about investing. So obviously I'm going to be an affiliate with investing companies. I'm an affiliate with Cash App. I'm an affiliate with PayPal. I'm an affiliate with different brokerage companies, okay? With different trading platform companies. So you choose whatever company that you want to be affiliated with, okay? If you're a mom and you like Huggies diapers, then that is the company that you want to be affiliated with. And then guess what you're going to do? You're going to promote Huggies diapers. If you're a nurse and you want to be affiliated with a certain kind of scrubs like Cherokee, then guess what you're going to do? On your Instagram, on your Facebook, or at work, you're gonna be like, look at these scrubs. I'm wearing Cherokee and they look good and they feel good. And if you wanna use my discount code, or if you wanna click the link that's in my bio so that you can get 20% off on your scrubs, then do that. And guess what? You get commission for every single sale. And then it becomes on autopilot. Just imagine if somebody got a subscription, let's say another nurse, right? Or anyone in the hospital, a doctor, a PA, anyone. Let's say that they got a subscription. On a monthly basis, they buy one Cherokee scrub for $60. And let's say Cherokee pays you 50%. That means that automatically you are getting $30 every single month for the rest of this subscription life from that one affiliate, that one referral. Imagine if you did that times 10, that's $300. Imagine if you did that times 100, that's $3,000 a month passively from residual, from an affiliate marketing that you did one time. Number 4 is YouTube. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. And if you are not a part of it, then you're going to be missing the boat. Trust me. So your content is going to be in video form. You're going to upload it on YouTube. And let's say that you have 20, 30 videos on YouTube. These videos are going to be watched for years. So today you could be earning money from ads that's being played from videos that you made one time, one 10-minute video 2 years ago, but you're still making ad revenue today. So YouTube is a phenomenal way that you can monetize, and it is a wonderful way to have passive income. But you have to put in the time, you have to put in the work, and you have to be consistent. So those are my top 4 best and favorite passive income streams.